Good morning, children. This is Miss Jyoti, and I am here to conduct an activity on the topic People Who Help Us. Children, as in the previous videos, I have already taught you this chapter, and we have come to know that there are many people around to help us in doing different tasks. And we have also learned the names of the people who help us. Okay, so now today we will do activity, and in this activity what we have to do, let's see. Now children, here is the puzzle crossword for you all. Okay, and in this you have to fill in the missing letters in the crossword, and by getting clues from these pictures. And then also you have to see which community helpers name appeared in this red column. Okay, and these are the names of the people who help us. They are our community helpers. Let's do now. In these blocks you have to fill the missing letters. Now children, guess the name of the person who helps us and whose name starts with letter D. We can also take help from these clue pictures from these clue. Yes, it is doctor. So write over here D O is written, and what you have to do, you have to write the missing letters. So now you write over here C D O C T O, then R, doctor, D O C T O R, doctor. As you can see in the picture, doctor, he help us when we are sick. We go to doctor. Okay, now come to our next crossword. What you see? Started with T, letter T. So you have to fill the missing letters and guess the name of the people who is our helper and whose name starts with letter T and ends with R. Let's see the pictures so that we can get some hint. Yes, here it is. This one. Yes. He is the person who stitches clothes for us, and his name is tailor. He is a tailor. So what we will write over here? T A I L O R is already written. So which word we have formed? Tailor. T A I L O R, tailor. Very good. Now come to other one. Now we have to guess the name of the person who help us and whose name starts with letter F and ends with letter R. Yes children, guess fast. Yes, farmer. Very good. And what is the spelling of farmer? Yes children, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. So write over here, the two letters are missing. Which two letters are missing? A and R. So write over here A, then you write over here R. Now this is complete. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Farmer help us. Now come to next crossword. Guess the name. Again you have to guess the name of the person who help us, who is our helpers. Yes, and whose name starts with letter P. Yes, Plumber. Very good. So what is the spelling of plumber? Plumber. Plumber. So how many letters are missing? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters are missing. So which are those 4 letters? Let's find out. Plum. B is written. Write E and then R. Plumber. 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 Very good. Now come to other one. Yes. Now we have to guess the name of the person who helped us and whose name start with letter P. Yes. So let's take help from the pictures. He is doctor, we have already done. Then yes, person, this one. Yes. Now come to the letter. We have to fill the missing letters, and we came to know that people who help us and whose name start with letter P is postman. Yes. So as we can see, P-O-S-T is written and we have to write the missing letters. And what is the spelling of postman? Yes, P-O-S-T-M-A-N, man. So let's write the missing letters after T. Post is written, we have to write man. So write M-A-N, man. Nots complete. Postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N, postman. Very good. Now let's come to other one. Yes. Now we have to guess the name of the person who help us and whose name ends with letter R. Yes. Guess, children. Guess the name of the person who help us and whose name ends with letter R. Let's take help from these pictures and find out the name. Yes, teacher. Teacher is the person whose name ends with letter R. So we will write over here teacher. So as C-H-E-R is written, only 2 letters are missing. So let's write the letters which are missing. And so teacher, T-E-A. We have written 3 letters which were missing, T-E-A and C-H-E-R, teacher. Yes. Then again, guess the name of the person who help us and whose name start with letter C, and there is also in between L, letter L and B. Yes, children, let's take help from the clue box. This is tailor, postman, then doctor, teacher, and which one is? Yes, this cobbler, and cobbler is the person who mends shoes. So let's write the missing letters. C-O-B-L is written and 3 letters are missing. And which are these 3 letters that is missing? Let's write. The spelling of cobbler is C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. So write over here in this box. B, then L is written. Write E and then R. Very good. Cobbler. 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 Then come to last puzzle, last crossword, and guess the name of the person whose name start with letter B. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are there in his name, and his name start with letter B. So who is this person? Yes, children, guess. Yes, Barbo. Babu. So write over here which two letters are missing? A and R. So write over here A in the first box and then R. Now this word is complete. Let's see the spelling of Babu. B-A-R-B-E-R. Babu. And what is the job of Babu? What is his work? Yes, he cuts our hair. And children, this way we have completed this activity, this crossword, and one letter we have missed out. Let's do and see that which community helpers name appears in this red column. So let's see. A person whose name starts with letter C and ends with letter R. And only one word is missing. So which word is that? Let's find out. C-A-R, then missing one letter, E-N-T-E-R. Yes, it is carpenter. So write which letter is missing? P. Right over here, P. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. So, and this way we came to know that the name of the people, community helper, whose name appears in the red column is carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. First we have done doctor, then tailor, farmer, plumber, postman, teacher, cobbler, barber and carpenter. So children, we have completed this exercise. We have filled all the missing words, all the missing letters in the crossword. Yes, and we have came to know about the people who help us. So that's all for the class today. I hope you have enjoyed this activity, solving this puzzle crossword. Yes. Bye children. Take care. Thank you.